everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to maintenance and take care of your DeWalt Tough Series construction jack. In case you missed it, I did a full review of this product about a month ago, so make sure you check out that video. It does require regular lubrication to keep it working properly, which I was unaware of at the time I filmed my review. That said, keep in mind not to overdo it either, or it will impact the performance of the jack. To start off with, you're going to need a good quality multi-purpose mineral oil only. Do not use any other kind of lubricant, just mineral oil. With the jack in midway position, apply a few drops of mineral oil to a clean rag and apply it to the top and bottom of the bar. Next, apply a couple drops to the exposed tab on the front of the jack's body. And a couple drops to the lowering tabs under the trigger. Spread the oil by holding the no-load quick release button in the engage position and slide the jack body up and down the bar. Wipe away any excess oil from the bar and store it in a dry place when not in use. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see future videos. You can also find me. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, I thank you so much for watching. And until next time, take care.